I'm going to show you an Oreo cupcake hack that you will love. This is inspired by my friend Vero from Vero's Sweet Hobby. She made a video showing how she puts an Oreo cookie at the bottom of her cupcakes before she bakes them. I thought it looked so good, so I gave it a try and then I tested it out on my daughter Maya. Let's see what she thinks. Just take one big bite. Do you notice it?
Is that an Oreo?
Yes! Look at that! Oh my god, it looks so good. It's an Oreo at the bottom of the cupcake. What do you think?
That's super cool.
Do you think it's a win?
It's a super win.
Okay. Oh my god, this is so good. Vero, this is a win. I'm telling you, you could do like a strawberry cupcake with a vanilla Oreo, or a vanilla cupcake with a lemon Oreo, or chocolate cake with a coffee Oreo. God, you could put peanut butter cookies at the bottom. So good, look. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Go follow Vero's Sweet Hobby and see more at craftychica.com. Thanks guys, bye-bye.